What if I told you that you could make amazing ads with people, voices, and products even though none of them exist in real life? Yep, even they can bring in thousands for you. Sounds crazy, right? But it's all possible with AI. I made a full video ad and everything in it, the person, the voice, the script, was made by AI. It looks so real, you'd think it's a real person. Normally, companies pay real people to make videos about their products. These are called UGC videos, user-generated content. They look like regular people giving real reviews, which makes them feel trustworthy and real. But there's a problem. Getting real people to make videos is slow, expensive, and hard. With the new AI tools, you can now make videos fast. In just minutes. Try lots of different ad ideas. Spend much less money. And by following a few simple tricks, you can even make UGC ads for your dropshipping products for free. And they look so real it's hard to tell they're made by AI.
You need ceramides. Cerave brings the moisture and protection.
Before you make your own ad, it's smart to check what's already doing well. Go to Google and search for your type of product, for example, facial cleaner. Find some popular brands that sell it. Visit the Facebook ad library to see the ads those brands are running. Look for ads that have been running for weeks or months. That usually means they're making money. You can also check TikTok for videos about similar products. If a video has lots of views, likes, and comments, that shows people enjoy watching that kind of ad, and it's a good idea to learn from it. Now it's time to make your own ad script. Don't just copy someone else's ad. Instead, try to understand why their ad works. Is it the way they talk, the emotions they show, or the message they share? Once you know that, you can make your own version that fits your product and your audience. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help. Just show the AI an example of a good ad and ask it to create a few new versions that talk to your viewers in different ways. Find a video ad you like. Copy its link. Go to Google Gemini and paste the link into the prompt box. Ask Gemini to give you the transcript, the words spoken in the video. Copy the transcript that Gemini gives you. Go to ChatGPT or Claude. Paste the transcript there along with your own prompt, asking the AI to make new ad ideas based on that script. AI will give you several ideas. Choose the best one to use as your product script, and make small changes if you need to so it fits your product better. Now go to Createfy AI and click on the Create option. On the dashboard, you'll see many creative tools like avatar video, product video, asset generator, image ads, VO3 ads, and more. But for now, we'll choose product video to start making our ad. Click on the image option to upload your product picture. Below that, you will see three options: product short, avatar showcase, and talking avatar. For this video, we will use the talking avatar option. In the prompt box, type how you want your image to look, such as holding the product in hand or showing the product to the camera. After that, go to the avatar section and choose the one that best matches your product. You will find many different avatar options, so take your time and pick the one that looks perfect for your ad. Now choose the video ratio for your ad. The 9:16 ratio is the best size for running ads. Each image you create will use 1 token, and you'll get 10 tokens in total when you start. However, if you want to make a full video, it will take about 10 tokens per video, or you'll need to buy a subscription plan. But don't worry, I have a simple trick that lets you make more videos for free using these tools. Now your image is ready, and it looks very realistic, almost like a real person. If you have more than 10 tokens, you can use them to generate the full video with this AI tool. But if you don't have enough tokens, don't worry. Click on the Generate option, and you'll see a few settings where you can add your information, like your script, voice, or product details. Once you fill those in, the AI will start creating your video automatically. If you don't have enough tokens to generate it here, don't worry, we can use VO3 instead to make the video. Go to Gemini AI, and from the settings, select the VO option. You'll need a VO3 verified account to get access to all the features in VO3. If you don't know how to create a VO3 account, you can easily find step-by-step tutorials on YouTube that will guide you through the process. Now click on the plus icon and upload your generated image. After that, go to the prompt box and type in your video prompt. Describe what you want the AI to do with your image, such as making the person talk, move, or show the product. After entering your prompt, click on Generate. In just a few seconds, your dropshipping video will be ready. Once it's done, you can download the video to use in your ads.
Cerave brings the moisture and protection.